Hello friends, now I am going to start services provided by bank to the account holders. See, one thing you remember, there are so many services and generally we know the basic three services: deposit the account, withdraw the money and give the loan. These are basic three services every bank is doing. But for that purpose, some additional activities the bank has to do for us. Mainly, every activity in the bank is concerned with financial transactions, not anything else, right? It is. But here, the banks are doing monitor the financial transaction of the accounts. This is the first activity. Second activity is, see, I am talking about the additional activities, not anything else. Second activity is issuing letter of credit. Third activity is issuing traveler's check. Fourth activity is issuing drafts, demand drafts. Fifth activity is issuing overdraft. Sixth activity is permit loans. Seventh activity is electronic transfer, which is called RTGS, NEFT, right? Real time gross settlement is the full form of RTGS, right? Remember, as time by time I will optimistically give you short details of every short forms. I want to say NEFT, National Electronic Fund Transfer. I said National Electronic Fund Transfer, and RTGS means real time gross settlement. Both are electronic transfer accounts. Thereafter, the other activity is issuing credit card as per the accounts, banking transactions, issuing debit card with every account, and the work related to core banking service. Here CORE is also full short form. You have to keep in your mind, right? So generally people are remembering core banking, but the full form is centralized online real time exchange. I repeat, centralized online real time exchange. So C capital for centralized, O capital for online, R capital for real time, E capital for exchange. So here I have given you three full forms: RTGS, NEFT and CORE, core banking. So remember that these all are activities of bank that bank is doing with us, and we are needed to follow these activities as per the time is required, right? Okay, now I am explaining detail about every activity. The first is issuing draft. Generally, we have already gone through these activities completely in the secondary functions of bank. So not more I want to discuss, but as the part of the topic I am discussing here with you. Earlier we have discussed almost these topics as a functions of bank, and here it is being discussed as the services provided the bank to the account holders is being discussed here. Okay, let's continue. Issuing draft. Draft means a check written by bank addressing to other branch with any specific name instructed by the account holder. A check issued by bank returned to the other branch in favor of specific person whose name has been instructed by the customer. So here, as by filling up the form, the instruction of the name to be written on the top of the part in the check. So it is a one kind of the banker's check. For that purpose, I already earlier said that the person has to deposit money in the bank's account with taking commission and the money which any person want to transfer to the other person. He could pay all the amounts with commission to the bank, then can get the issued draft as per the request given to the bank by a person, right? So here sender's request is must about the person's name in favor, about the amount what he wants to send to the receiver. So everything is required to be filled up in the form, and then as per the form the draft will be made. The draft can be deposited only in specific receiver's account whose name has been written on paid to as account pays only. So it is not a bearer check. It can be directly deposited in the account and the money will transfer in the account only, not in hands of person. The money will be given, right? Okay. One benefit is here. There is no fear of bounce. Bounce means cannot back, because bank has make sure that amount is there with bank, and for that same amount bank has issued their check. So the money should be deposited in the hand of the bank first, then the banker's check will be issued, whichever the name the sender wants to send the money, right? Okay. Next one is banker's check. See, it is a pay order. Pay order and bank draft mostly like the same, but only is difference that payable in the same city. No difference at all. Draft could be deposited at anywhere in the bank limitation, maybe in India, maybe in world, international, whatever may be. But for pay order, it is not possible. So if anybody asks, then you can write the difference that pay order is only possible in same city of senders and receivers region, and for bank draft there is no limitation of the boundary of geography. Anywhere it could be deposited. Okay. Next point I want to discuss is real time gross settlement, which is shortly said RTGS. RTGS is done by the bank for their account holders only, not for others. It is an electronic transfer of money, but keep in your mind about amount is starts for RTGS by 2 lakhs and more than that. Here the receivers of the money need to add beneficiary in his banking detail with beneficiary's name, beneficiary's bank and beneficiary's bank's IFSC code. See, IFSC code is provided to the every bank and the branch by Institute of Development and Research on Banking Technology, IDRBT. I repeat, IFSC code to the bank and their branches are given by Institute for Development and Research on Banking Technology located in Hyderabad. So here IFSC code is a one kind of alphanumeric code. It is of 11 digits. Alphanumeric means alphabetic and numerical. Both are included in IFSC code. So RTGS is easy to transfer money in larger amount. Some specific charges the bank will ask to pay for RTGS. Here bank will get some charges. In this method, senders and receivers, if bank allow, not to pay any commission. So it's a good thing for a receiver and sender to follow this method, and it is easy to receive and to send. Same day transaction is done. Within 24 hours the transaction is done, so it is very easy to follow the process. Is that clear, my friends? So here I discussed with you today mainly three functions in topic service provided by bank. First I discussed about issue draft. Second I discussed about banker's check. And third I discussed about RTGS. Right, my friends? So prepare the topic as per the given detail. Okay.